Are you ready to turn your house into a smart home without draining your bank account? Today, I'm revealing the best budget-friendly smart home devices that pack powerful features at affordable prices. Whether you're new to smart home tech or looking to expand your setup, these picks will make your life easier and smarter. Let's dive in. Let's kick things off with home security. You don't need to spend a fortune to get solid protection. The Wisecam V3 is the perfect example. This little guy is tiny but packs a punch with 1080p video quality, and the best part? It has color night vision. No more grainy footage in the dark. You can actually see what's happening, and that's a game changer. The Wisecam V3 also has two-way audio, so not only can you see what's going on, but you can also talk to whoever's there. And of course it has motion detection. It sends smart motion detection alerts straight to your smartphone. This little powerhouse is only around 50 bucks. You're getting top-notch security features without the premium price tag. It's a no-brainer for anyone looking to add an extra layer of protection to their home. Let's dive into the basics of smart home technology and how it can transform your living space. If you're just dipping your toes into the world of connected devices, smart plugs are the perfect starting point. They are simple to use and can make a big difference in your daily routine. The Casa Smart Plug is a classic for a reason. It's one of the most popular choices for beginners and tech enthusiasts alike. It's simple, reliable, and incredibly affordable. You don't have to break the bank to start automating your home. We're talking about turning any device in your home into a smart device for about 10 bucks. That's right, just $10 to upgrade your home. Think about it. You can take your old coffee maker, lamp, or fan and instantly give them smart capabilities. No need to buy new appliances. Just plug them into the Casa Smart Plug, connect it to your Wi-Fi, and boom, you're in control. It's that easy. Want to turn your coffee maker on before you even get out of bed? No problem. With a few taps on your phone, you can have your coffee ready when you are. Schedule it through the app. You can set timers and schedules for all your connected devices. The Casa Smart Plug works seamlessly with both Alexa and Google Assistant. Voice control makes it even more convenient. For the price, you really can't go wrong with the Casa Smart Plug. It's a small investment for a big upgrade in convenience. It's the definition of budget-friendly smart home awesomeness. Start small, and before you know it, you'll be living in a fully automated home. You can't talk about smart homes without mentioning smart speakers. The Amazon Echo Dot, 5th gen, is in a league of its own. This little puck-shaped device is packed with features and is more affordable than ever. For under 50 bucks, you're getting a smart speaker and a smart home hub all in one. You can use it to play your favorite tunes, check the news, set timers, make calls, and control all your other smart home devices. The Echo Dot has surprisingly good sound quality for its size. But the real magic happens when you start connecting the Echo Dot to your other smart home devices. That's the power of a smart home hub, and the Echo Dot puts that power right at your fingertips. Let's talk ambiance. Creating the perfect atmosphere in your home doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. Govee Smart LED light strips are the secret weapon for budget-conscious home decorators. These strips offer a cost-effective way to transform any room. These LED strips are incredibly versatile. Whether you want to highlight your favorite decor or create a cozy nook, they can do it all. You can stick them behind furniture, under cabinets, along walls, basically anywhere to add a touch of color and personality to your space. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is they're incredibly easy to install. No need for professional help or complicated tools. Just peel off the adhesive backing and stick them where you want them. It's as simple as that. The Govee app lets you customize the colors, brightness, and even create dynamic lighting effects. You have complete control at your fingertips. You can choose from a wide range of preset scenes or create your own custom scenes. Tailor the lighting to match your mood or the occasion. And if you're feeling the groove, you can even sync the lights to your music. Perfect for parties or just relaxing with your favorite tunes. They'll pulse and change color to the beat, creating an immersive and entertaining experience. It's like having a mini light show in your own home. Trust me, it's way cooler than it sounds. You'll be amazed at how much these lights can enhance your living space. Light up your life without breaking the bank. With Govee Smart LED light strips, you can create a stunning ambiance without spending a fortune. How many times have you gotten up from the couch to open or close your curtains? Enter the SwitchBot curtain rod motor. This little device attaches to your existing curtain rod and turns your old-school curtains into smart curtains. It takes literally minutes to set up. No need to call an electrician or spend hours fiddling with wires. Once it's installed, you can control your curtains with a simple tap on your smartphone or with your voice. The SwitchBot curtain rod motor works seamlessly with Alexa, Google Assistant, and the SwitchBot app. You can set schedules for your curtains to open and close automatically. Imagine waking up to the natural sunlight gently streaming through your windows. It's like having a personal butler for your windows. Effortless curtain automation at its finest. Let's talk about smart lighting that can transform the entire feel of your home. Imagine walking into a room that instantly adapts to your mood or activity, all thanks to smart lighting. TP-Link smart bulbs are the perfect example of getting amazing features without breaking the bank. These bulbs offer a range of functionalities that make them a great addition to any home. We're talking about bulbs that cost between $15 and $20 each. That's a small price to pay for the convenience and versatility they bring. You can adjust the brightness and color temperature to create the perfect ambiance for any occasion. Whether it's a romantic dinner or a lively party, these bulbs can set the right mood. Whether you're looking for a warm and cozy vibe or a bright and energizing atmosphere, TP-Link smart bulbs have got you covered. They offer a wide range of color temperatures to suit any setting. You can control these bulbs with the Casa app, which is incredibly user-friendly. The app allows you to manage your lighting with just a few taps on your smartphone, create schedules, set timers, and even group multiple bulbs together. This means you can automate your lighting to fit your daily routine effortlessly. TP-Link smart bulbs work seamlessly with both Alexa and Google Assistant. This compatibility makes it easy to integrate them into your existing smart home ecosystem. Just imagine, you're walking into your living room, your hands are full of groceries, and you simply say, "Alexa, turn on the living room lights." It's that simple and convenient. Bright ideas on a budget. With TP-Link smart bulbs, you don't have to spend a fortune to enjoy the benefits of smart lighting. They offer an affordable way to enhance your home's ambiance and functionality. In the age of streaming, having a smart TV is pretty much a must-have. But what if you love your current TV and don't want to shell out hundreds for a new one? That's where the Roku Streaming Stick 4K comes in. This little device is about the size of a USB drive but packs a powerful punch. It transforms any TV with an HDMI port into a full-fledged smart TV. And the best part? It's only around $50. With the Roku Streaming Stick 4K, you get access to a massive library of content. We're talking Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, Amazon Prime Video, HBO Max, and more. The Roku Streaming Stick 4K delivers stunning 4K resolution with HDR support. You get a crystal clear picture with vibrant colors and impressive contrast. Your gateway to streaming bliss. Let's talk about front door security. The Blink Video Doorbell offers a level of security and convenience that's hard to beat. We're talking about HD video monitoring, so you get a clear view of whoever's at your doorstep. With motion detection alerts, you'll be notified instantly if someone's lurking around your property. The Blink Video Doorbell has two-way audio so you can talk to whoever's at your door. Imagine this: you're at work, and a delivery person rings your doorbell. With the Blink app, you can see them, talk to them, and even instruct them where to leave the package. The Blink Video Doorbell integrates seamlessly with Alexa devices, a smarter, safer front door. No one likes getting hit with a massive energy bill, right? The Wise Smart Thermostat is a game changer. It offers advanced climate control features at a fraction of the cost of traditional smart thermostats. We're talking about a sleek and modern design. The Wise Smart Thermostat learns your habits and preferences over time. It automatically adjusts the temperature to keep you comfortable while saving you money. With the Wise app, you can adjust the temperature, set schedules, and monitor your energy usage from anywhere. Imagine this: you're on vacation and you realize you forgot to turn down the heat. Just whip out your phone, open the Wise app, and adjust the temperature with a few taps. Climate control without the premium price. Let's wrap things up with a device that can help you achieve your fitness goals. The Eufy Smart Scale C1. This smart scale goes above and beyond, providing you with a wealth of data to track your progress. We're talking about accurate measurements of your weight, body fat percentage, muscle mass, bone mass, BMI, and even your metabolic age. The Eufy Smart Scale C1 syncs seamlessly with popular health apps like Apple Health and Google Fit. All your data is automatically logged and compiled. The Eufy Smart Scale C1 supports multiple user profiles. Everyone in your household can track their progress. Your health journey, now smarter. And there you have it. Budget-friendly smart home devices that won't break the bank but will transform your home into the future. Which one are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest tech recommendations. Check out more of our videos for even more smart home ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.